Today we are going to start a new chapter, decimal. This is chapter number 5. So first let us come to know what is decimal or what is the meaning of decimal. Actually this word deci, this parts of word is come from decimus. Decimus, this deci parts of word come from decimus, and decimus means tenth. It means tenth, means 1 by 10. This decimus is a Latin word. From this decimus, decimals occur, where decimus means tenth, that means deci means 1 by 10. Now, in fraction how can we express 1 by 10 as a figure. Suppose I am taking a whole rectangle and making it parts, 10 parts equal. 5 parts, 10 parts. I have divided the whole rectangle into 10 parts. Then if we said one of the 10 parts, the shaded part is for 1 by 10, and in decimal this part is also 0.1. Now suppose I want to express 0.2, then take another type of rectangle and make it equal parts, 10 parts, divide it into equal 10 parts. If we said 2 out of 10 parts, then this is 2 by 10, and in decimal it will be 0.2. Similarly, if we said 5 parts out of 10, then it will be 5 by 10, that means 0.5. So now this is the introduction for a decimal. Now how can we read a decimal number? How can we read a decimal number? Suppose I have written here 0.37, 0.37. Then how can we read? We can read it as 0.37, 0.37. If we write this number in decimal, then how we will read it? This is 15.85. Now suppose this number, how can we read out this number? We will read this whole number 1072, 1072, then 0.8201, 8201. That means the rule says how to read. The rule says before the decimal, that means on the left side, left part of the number, left part of the decimal point, we will read whole. Here is 0, here is 15, here is 1072, but on the right side part we will read it individually, digit wise. Here 0.37, 0.85, 0.8201, in this way. So this is the rule to read out a decimal number or write in words. Okay. Now, next I am coming to converting decimal to fraction and fraction to decimal. Let us come first conversion of fraction to decimal. Fraction to decimal. Suppose this fraction 8 by 10. Then from the previous discussion we get that 8 by 10 means 10 out of 8 out of 10 parts. So, this become 0.8. 3 by 10, this means 0.3. Now, 1 whole 7 by 10. So, this whole number will be in decimal also whole, and after 1 whole 7 by 10 means 0.7, 0.7 means 0.7. So, this become 1.7. Now, if suppose there is 32 by 100, 32 by 100, then we can convert it into decimal by placing decimal after 2 digit from the right, because 1 and then there is 2 zeros, after 1 there is 2 0. So, we will put the decimal after 2 digit from the right side. The number on the above is 32. So, after 1 digit 2 digit we will put here decimal. So, it become 0.32. Suppose the number is 356 by 100. Then write the whole number on numerator, from the numerator put the decimal after 1 2 digit. So, 1 2 here will be the decimal. So, the number become 3.56, 3 decimal 56. Now, suppose the number is 2 whole 15 by 100. So, what can we do first? First we will convert this mixed fraction into improper. So, 200 is 200 plus 15. So, the numerator become 215 by 100. Now, write down the numerator number and put the decimal from the right side after 2 digit 1 2, put the decimal here. So, 2.15 become the decimal number, or directly you can write from this to this. How? 2 is a whole number, so write the 2, and 15 by 100, for 15 by 100 we can write 0.515, that means 0.15. So, 2.15 become the number. Let us give another example. Suppose the number is 10 whole 3 by 100. Convert this mixed fraction into improper. So, 10 100 is 1000, 1000 plus 3 1003, denominator 100. Now, write that numerator number completely 1003. Put the decimal after 2 digit from the right, 1 and then 2 zeros. So, 1 2, put the decimal here, 10.03 become the number. So, in decimal it become 10.03. Okay. Now, suppose the number is, I am taking here number 17 by 1000, 4 zeros, 3 zeros are there after 1. Write the numerator number 17. Okay. We will put the decimal after 1 2 3 digit from the right side, as after 1 there is 3 zeros. So, we have to put the decimal after 3 digit, but 1 digit 2 digit, there is no 3 digit. So, we will take here 0 and then put the decimal. Before decimal there is no digit, so we will take again 0. So, it becomes 0.017. Suppose we are converting 379 by 1000 to decimal. So, we will put decimal after 1, 2, 3 digit from the right side on the numerator number. Numerator number is 379. Put the decimal after 3 digit from the right, 1, 2, 3 digit, 1, 2, 3 digit. Put the decimal here. So, 0.379. If there is a mixed fraction, suppose 2 whole 39 by 1000, change the mixed fraction into improper. So, 2 into 1000 is 2000, 2000 plus 39, 2039 by 1000. Now, write the complete number from the numerator and put the decimal after 1 to 3 digit, 1, 2, 3 digit, put the decimal here. So, 2.039 become the number in decimal. So, in this way we can convert decimal number, the fractional number having 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 similar way. But if the number, if the fractional number having the denominator not this particular number 10, 100 or 1000 or 10,000, these numbers, suppose the number is 4 by 5. So, in this situation how can we convert it into decimal number? We just divide the numerator by the denominator and make it in decimal. 5 is the number, we have to divide 4, but 4 is less than 5. So, we will take first 0 point and we get a 0 for this decimal. For this decimal we will get a 0. Now, in the table of 5, 5 8 ja 40. Division complete, our answer becomes 0.8. So, 4 by 5 means 0.8. Similarly, suppose the number is 3 by 15. So, similar way we will divide this 3 by 15, but 3 is less than 15. So, first we will take 0 point for this decimal, we get a 0. 15 2 ja 30. Division complete. So, 3 by 15 means 0.2. Let me give another example. Suppose the number is 7 by 8. Okay. So, let us divide. 7 is less than 8. Okay. So, 0 point, take a 0. Now, in the table of 8, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, 8 8 is 64. Subtract, we get 6. Now, for this decimal again we will get a 0. 1 0 you can take at a time. Only one 0. 60. Again in the table of 8, 8 7 ja 56, 8 8 is 64. So, 8 7 ja 56 we will take. Subtract, we get 4. Now, for this decimal again we will get a 0, 40. Now, 8 5 ja 40. So, in the decimal the number becomes 0.875. So, 7 by 8 becomes 0.875. Okay. Now, suppose the number is this one, that 103 by 5. We have to convert it into decimal. So, let us divide the numerator by the denominator. 5 2 ja 10, here is 103 is there. So, take first 2 digit 5 2 ja 10, subtract, we get now 3, but 3 have to divide, 5 0 ja 0, 3 is in remainder case, remainder become 3. Now, take decimal and take a 0 here. For the decimal we get a 0, 30, 5 6 ja 30, division completed, we get 20.6. So, 103 by 5 means 20.6. So, in decimal number it becomes 20.6. Okay. Now, suppose taking another example, the number is, let me take a whole number, 9 whole 4 by 5. First we will convert this mixed fraction into improper. 9 5 is 45 plus 4, 49 by 5. Now, as the previous we will divide 5, 9 is 45, subtracting we get 4. After that division is not possible, so take a 0 and get a 0, take a decimal and get a 0. 5 8 ja 40. So, the decimal number become 9.8. So, 9 whole 4 by 5 means 9.8. Okay. Let me take similar type of another example, 16 whole 19 by 20. So, first convert this mixed fraction into improper. 20 into 16, 16 to the 32, 320, 320 plus 19, 320 plus 19 we get 339, okay, by 20. Now, convert it into decimal by dividing, 21 ja 20, subtracting we get 13, take 9, 26 ja 120, subtracting we get 19, 19 is less than 20. Now, we will take a decimal and get a 0, 190. In the table of 20, 28 ja 160, 29 ja 180, 20 10 ja 200, 9 ja 180, 10. Now, for the decimal again we will get a 0, 100, 25 ja 100. So, in decimal the number becomes 16.95. So, 16 whole 19 by 20 become 16.95. Okay. Now, let us come to the next topic. So, in this way we can convert the fractional number into decimal. Now, we come to the next topic, how to convert decimal to fraction. It is more easy. Suppose the decimal number is 0.37. Okay. So, see what is the number 0.37. First remove the decimal, take the whole number, we get 37, which will be the numerator. Now, what will be the denominator for the fraction? For the fraction in the denominator, see after decimal how many digits are there? After decimal 2 digits. So, we have to take the denominator as 1 and then 2 zeros. For after decimal there are 2 digits, we get 2 zeros. Now, suppose the number is 1.725. Okay. So, we will write the total number removing the decimal 1725. This is the numerator. Now, what will be the denominator? For denominator we get 1 2 3 zeros. After decimal there are 3 digits. So, 1 2 3 digits zeros after 1. Now, we can convert it into a mixed fraction. 1001 ja 1000, 725. So it become 1 whole 725 by 1000. It can be more simplified by dividing it by 5. 5 14 ja 70, 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, 200. Again it can be divided by 5. 5 2 ja 10, 5 9 ja 45, 29, 5 4 ja 20. So the actual in simplified form the fraction become 1 whole 29 by 40. This become the fractional number. Let me give another example. Suppose the number is 3.29. So take the numerator, removing the decimal from the whole number 3 to 9 numerator. What will be the denominator? After decimal there are 2 digits, so 1 and then 2 zeros. We can convert it into mixed fraction. Convert 100 3 ja 300, 29 is the remainder. So the in fraction it becomes 3 whole 29 by 100, and this is the simplified form. This is the complete answer. Now suppose the number is 1.7. For this number we will write the numerator 17 and take the denominator 1 and then 1 0, because after decimal there is only one digit, so 1 0. Now we can convert it into mixed fraction. 10 1 ja 10, 7 is the remainder, so 1 whole 7 by 10. This becomes the answer in fraction. So in this way we can convert the decimal number to fractions. So this was the total topic for today. We have learned here how to read out or write in words for a decimal number, and how to convert the fractional number to decimal and decimal to fraction. Okay. In next topic we will discuss another things. Thank you and goodbye.